shit, he died!
Who died?
I died.
No!
Ian.
I warn you.
Yeah,
I'm gonna run down the
We love
road
bears.
screaming your name.
You barefooting! I want a
Grab,
barefooting!
Or just grab your backpack, Daz.
Rip Daz.
There's an assault rifle. I don't know if that drops. There's an
Yeah,
assault
it
rifle.
did. I
We
picked
can't
up the
eat a
assault
zombie.
rifle.
You're telling to a
What else do you
zombie.
want me to grab your pack?
Oh, you
Yeah,
need to
just
boil
the
it.
pack, there's nothing-
What about you
nothing
boil
else
the
there.
zombie? Does it work?
Okay.
Yeah, that's all you can ever get in here is damn blackberries.
Okay, I grabbed your pack.
There's someone heavy
Basically,
breathing in my neck. There's someone heavy breathing in my neck. I'm wondering who this is.
You see my trophy?
What the fuck is it?
When'd you get a hunk of meat?
No, right here.
Who is breathing that
I did
way?
that.
I
Yeah, my
don't
shit's
know.
still here.
It's
That's my
fucking
loot.
scary.
That's my loot.
Okay, that's creepy, guys. There's someone heavy breathing just beside me and I can't see anybody.
You sure it's not you?
It's not me.
Prob-
Listen to the stream, Jess, if you have a chance. That's freaking creepy.
No, it probably is you, because the sounds are messed up for the males and the females sometimes.
But I didn't run. I shouldn't be heavy breathing.
Where are you at?
I'm near the corpse on the road.
Oh god, the bear again! You gotta be fucking kidding me! Motherfucker!
I killed one of them. What the fuck, you?
Oh Jesus. Oh man. I'm so over this fucking bear, I'm telling you what.
Oh my
Where?
god, guys.
In the middle of this fucking time development.
Maybe it's not in the game. Maybe someone is under my
Yeah,
desk or
listen.
something. I thought.
Excellent.
Where?
It's like
in
the corpse
fuck?
is doing that. I think the corpse is heavy breathing.
Weird.
Look,
I
when I
don't
go
hear
away, it stops. That's the corpse. Oh, I'm
Somebody
crying.
just spawned beside
Oh
me.
my god.
Yes.
Some lady just spawned in beside me and she's taking her clothes off. Best line ever. He's actually appalled. I cannot.
She's left.
believe
Oh, she
this.
left out. She left out.
Nice.
Where are you guys now?
I'm trying to die again. Fucking bear.
Okay,
Trying to
so
get back to my body.
I can confirm that the heavy breathing comes from the corpse.
It's weird.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to the base, I think. Then.
Do you want me to take your bag, man? Or are you coming to get it?
There's not much in it. I took all the stuff
Oh.
you wanted.
Okay.
Or the base is over this way.
Doing push-ups or something. It's like...
Other way.